Good morning to our next session. Good morning, children. Welcome to our next session. English lesson 3, Dog's Tale. We completed 4 sessions here. Now we are going to learn the 5th session. What are they? We'll see. Previous session we learned singular and plural. Now again continuation only, children. Listen, look at the board. Here write W-R-I-T-E, write the plurals of these words, page number 31. Textbook page 31. Here again we are getting 2 table, singular, plural, before we learn S and ES in the plural words. Here what are they? We'll see. Calf. Here in the plurals, cows, C-A-L-V-E-S. Instead of F, we use V-E-S, cows. Then second one, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Here, L-E-A-V-E-S. Here, F not there. We instead of that in the plural word, we added V-E-S. Here also, last letter F, instead of that we are adding here in the plural VES. F comes, we should write VES. Then next half. Here also last letter F. In the plural HALVES, house, house. The next wife. Here wives. Here VES. Here 2 letters not there, isn't it? Here 2 letters not there. Instead of that we are writing VES there. The next wolf. Here F is the last letter. In the plural WOLVES, walls, walls. Next THIEF, thief. Here the last letter EF we are writing in the plural THIEVES, thieves. See here children, last letter F, instead of F we are writing VES in the plural. Here one more table children, singular, plural, singular and plural. Here fly, this is another category children. Here we wrote F, here Y. Y is the last letter. In the plural FLIES. Instead of Y, we are writing IES in the plural. The next, CITY, city. Y is the last letter. In the plural, CITIES, IES. Same category. The next, fairy, IRY, fairy. Here the last letter is Y. In the plural FAIR, instead of Y we are writing IES, fairies. The next, baby, BABY, baby. Here Y is the last letter. In the plural BAB, instead of this Y IES, babies. Next, story. Here the last letter is Y. In the plural, stories, stories. Next, copy. Here last letter is Y. We are writing copies, copies. Here we should understand that instead of Y we should write IES. In this session last letter F comes. Instead of that we should write VES. See the examples: calf, cows; calf, cows; leaf, leaves; half, halves; wife, wives; wolf, wolves; thief, thieves. In here, fly, flies. Here Y is the last letter. Instead of that we added IES. Fly, flies; city, cities; fairy, fairies; baby, babies; story, stories; copy, copies. This is singular and plural, children. Next exercise, match, match the words, match the words that have almost the same meaning. Same meaning. Textbook page 32. Here we are getting two words almost same meanings. The first one is lift. There you are getting joyfully. Questions are joyfully. Next, second one, task, TASK, task. Then dispute, DISPUTE, dispute. Number 3, BUILD, build. Next, payment, PAYMENT, payment. Then is number 4, wages, WAGES, wages. There, kindly, kindly. Number 5, please, please. There, lovely. Number 6, quarrel, QUARREL, quarrel. There, work. Number 7, happily, HAPPILY, happily. There, rise, RAISE, raise. Number 8, beautiful, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. MAKE, make. These are the words you are getting the as question, children. Now we should match almost same meaning, not the opposites. Lift, picking up. So raise, send it. The next, task. Task is same the meaning like work. Task, work. Build, build is building. Make, wages, it's a payment. please, kindly, quarrel, dispute, quarrel, dispute, happily, joyfully, happily, joyfully, then beautiful, lovely. These are the words here. Now we are writing here place is there, you have to write there the same meanings here. First one is lift. What did you find here, children? Raise, R-A-I-S-E, raise. Second one, task. Task means work, W-O-R-K, work. Third one, build. Build one is make, M-A-K-E, make. Wages, W-A-G-E-S, wages. Payment, P-A-Y-M-E-N-T, payment. Next one is please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Kindly, kindly. Quarrel, Q-U-A-R-R-E-L, quarrel. Dispute, D-I-S-P-U-T-E, dispute. Happily, joyfully, F-U-L-L-Y, joyfully. Then next, beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Lovely. Once again, children, these are the words we are getting the same meanings. Lift, raise, task, work, build, make, wages, payment, please, kindly, quarrel, dispute, happily, joyfully, beautiful, lovely. These are the exercise. The fourth exercise, that means next exercise, tick, T-I-C-K, tick, tick. The correct spellings, the correct, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct spelling, S-P-E-L-L-I-N-G, spelling, in each set, in each set. Textbook page 32. Here we are getting group of words that have only one word is correct spellings, remaining wrong spellings. We should find it the correct spelling. The first one is V-I-L-A-G. Second one is V-I-L-L-A-G. Next one is V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Next one is V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Here four words you are getting. In this you are getting only one spelling, one word is correct spellings, remaining all wrong. We should find. First one is V-I-L-A-G, V-I-L-L-A-G, V-I-L-L-A-G-E. What is that? V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. This is the correct spelling. Then second one, S-A-R-V-I-N-T. S-C-R-V-E-N-T. S-A-R-V-E-N-T. S-C-R-V-A-N-T. Here we are getting the spelling of servant. S-A-R-V-I-N-T, S-C-R-V-E-N-T, S-A-R-V-E-N-T. servant. The correct spelling is servant. Servant. Then number 3. APPEAR, appear. APPEAR, appear. Next, APEER. Next, APEAR. Here the word we can understand that appear. Which is the appear correct spelling? Here. This is the correct spelling. Then number 4. LAUGHED, laughed. LAGHED. Then LAUGHD. Next, LAUGHT. Laughed. Correct spelling is this one. LAUGHED, laughed. Then next, number 5. DESTURB. Next, DISTURB, disturb. Here, DISTARB. Next, DISTERB. These are the spellings. VILAG, VILLAG, VILLAG. Here, disturb. Here, this is the correct spelling. Disturb. This also a drop. In this exercise, we should find the correct spellings of here VILLAGE, village, SERVANT, servant, APPEAR, appear, LAUGHED, laughed, DISTURB, disturb. Okay. These are the exercise. Now we completed, children, correct spellings, and now we completed 4 exercises. Write these exercise in the class workbook and homework book also. Learn well, children. Thank you.